Creative Crambo back with another one.
Yeah, so I've just bought some nice cookware. That's the Jamie Oliver Tefal range. Now the only problem I've got is storing these nice pots and pans away. So what I'm going to do is put a nice shelf up here. Nice chrome shelf up there. Just to hang the pots on there or on the shelf. Just saves on storage. This is the shelf I'm going to be putting up. It comes with 3 brackets as well. There's a pole there for your utensils. A couple of hooks there to go over the pole. So yeah, I want to get a nice shelf up there. Just to store the pots on there. What I will do is find the centre of the oven. I'll plumb that up. And I'll get the shelf right bang smack in the middle of the range there. On the instructions, all it says is you have just got to put the shelf together with the 3 brackets, and then what I'll do is transfer the shelf to the wall. I'll mark off where I'm going to be putting the brackets there. Also as well, they do recommend that you from the top of your oven is a minimum of 70 centimeters. I'm going to put the shelf about 80 centimeters. That should just work out fine for me. So yeah, let me put this shelf together first, and I'll get that shelf on the wall. Yeah, so that was quite an easy process. Got the brackets on there. Just screw and bolt, fix those on. What I've done now is find the centre of my range. Got a line going up there now. And all I'll be doing is find the centre of this shelf. The shelf's 90 centimeters or 45 centimeters. That bracket there is the middle of the shelf. What I'll do now is offer the shelf up to the desired height I need, which is 80 centimeters from the top of the oven there I'm going to go with. Position the shelf, mark off the holes for drilling, get them drilled out and fixed up. Okay, so I did say I was going to go 80 centimeters from the top of the range there, but I've just measured these brackets out. They're coming up about 1 foot, and what I need to do is get the bracket so it sits above the tile there. So I'm going to go 90 centimeters just so that bracket clears the top of that tile. Yeah, okay, so I'm all marked up now for the shelf, for them brackets. I've got a nice level line going through there, 90 centimeters from the top of the range. All I did was offer up the shelf, mark the holes where the brackets are. All I've got to do now is drill those out, plug them up and get the shelf fixed. But always remember as well, if you have got electrics in the area that you're working, that you don't go through any cables. I know for a fact that them cables come upwards and they don't come down. So I'm okay for drilling. Quite important that. Always check out for your sockets and where your cables are running before you start drilling. You don't want no accidents. So yeah, just gonna drill these out now. Offer the shelf up, get that fixed, and we'll have a look at that. Okay, so I'm just using a 6mm masonry drill bit. We've got to drill these out now. so the pole's quite an easy process to do as well. Just going to fit it through that hole there. Grab my screw. That goes to the end. And just get it on there. Do the same the other end. On there like that. Feed that screw on, tighten her up, and that's the pole on. But it's quite a sturdy shelf as well. You've got 3 brackets. You got your pole for your utensils. Must admit, yeah, it feels quite firm as well. So yeah, that's the installation of the shelf done. That's looking pretty good. Yeah, must admit, that looks really nice. Nice chrome shelf. That only cost me £25. Some nice cookware there as well. That's the Jamie Oliver Tefal range. And sometimes as well, when you get some nice cookware, you want to show it off a little bit as well, rather than put it in the cupboard and forgetting about it, gathering dust. That looks really nice. Nice pole there for the utensils coming through. Obviously when you're cooking, you know, you can just move them where you want to. It's not a problem. Easy to get to. Overall, the shelf was easily to put up as well. First you've got to put the shelf together, then get it all leveled up where you want to, and then get it fixed. But yeah, I must admit, well pleased with that. Free up some space in your cupboards. That's looking pretty good.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.